Hello, in this short video we are going to introduce you to the Qlik Visual HTML tag. Starting in version 2.2, Qlik Sense allows you to build mashups in a pure declarative manner. This enables a web designer to leverage the visualization capabilities of Qlik Sense in the web application and web pages by using either existing visualizations or generating them on the fly in pure HTML. In order to explain the Qlik Visual Mashup approach, let's first have a short introduction to the Web Components API. The Web Components API changes the way how modern web applications are developed through reusable custom components. HTML5 brought new DOM elements for better structuring web pages, but does not support the developer in organizing code blocks as a combination of HTML and JavaScript, which can be imported at different locations and leverage templating mechanisms. The Web Components API allows anyone to create and use their own HTML tags and brings templating, import, and shadow DOM functionality to our modern web apps, that is, where the sun shines. But there are still a few clouds around. The Web Components API is not yet an official web standard, but it has draft status at W3C. Thus, not all modern browsers fully support it. For those and older browser versions, a polyfill JavaScript library is required. We will use the Qlik Sense DevHub Mashup Editor to create mashups that make use of the Qlik Visual Web Component to display a data visualization object created on the fly. Of course, this technique can also be used in your own web development environment. In order to make use of web components in all modern browsers, even those that do not support the Web Components API, as of today it is necessary to use a polyfill. This can be found, for instance, in many content delivery networks. I chose this one after searching for a CDN that provides the Web Components polyfill JavaScript. Simply copy the script tag provided. Place the script tag in the head section of your HTML document to make your web app Web Component enabled for all modern web browsers. Now let's assume we want to display a bar chart in the green framed box on our website. In our source code, we have to locate the position of the DOM element that will display the bar chart. There, we enter the Qlik Visual HTML tag. We have to provide some attributes for the element to work. The first is the app ID attribute, which is required and points to the application on which the visualization will be based. Also, the type.here bar chart is required. Depending on the type of visualization, it is necessary to list the dimensions and measures used by the chart object. Therefore, we provide a JavaScript array in the attribute named cols. Here, the dimension used will be case owner group, and the measure will be the calculated average case duration. Further configuration of the specific visualization object can be defined via the options attribute. It is optional and expects a JavaScript object. In our simple example, we will only set the title for our bar chart generated on the fly. This is basically all that is necessary to leverage Qlik Visual to visualize data in your web app. Now let's have a look in the mashup preview and see our script-free generated bar chart. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching.